Alright folks, this is a 2013 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. What we're going to do here is a cabin air filter. Cabin air filter is located inside the glove box in the back. So what we're going to start here is we are going to start to remove the glove box. Opens it up. There's two little tabs here, one on each side. Okay, see the little tabs? You're going to push one in, push it, kind of squeeze it together, and the whole glove box will come out. All right, I'm just going to do it with one hand here. No, gonna need two hands. All right, basically, just squeeze that out of the way. Squeeze this one out of the way. Oh, there you go, and you're out. Now, it's located inside. Let's give you a flashlight here. Dun, 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 dun. Gotta turn your flashlight on. Okay, it's right inside there. See, there's a little clip there, and there's a little clip there. So there's two clips, and there's two separate doors. This is one door. That's another door. Okay, the second door is going to have a hard time opening because it's going to hit this little speaker box over here. All right, so you pull up on those tabs, open one door, the other door is just going to open slightly. Now the original filter, if it's an original filter, which looks like it, it's a one piece. The replacement one is a two piece. The one piece, you just have to squeeze it in a little bit. This second door opens up just enough that you can get up and under it, but otherwise STP makes a two-piece, and the reason why it's a two-piece because you can just use one door and slide it over. One door and slide it over. And it's right in there. I just want to show you something. There's also a recirculating door. If your car happens to have the recirculated door in the down position, you have to open it up. And it's like a big white cover. You'll see it. All right, right now you can see the filter in there. If you need to open the recirculating door, you need to turn the key on and hit the recirculating button over here. All right, let's see if I can reach in there. I'm gonna climb in here in this Jeep here. Turn the key on. Hit the recirculating door, and you're gonna notice that the door is gonna open it up. Right now it's not on. Let me see if I can get it to do it so I can show you guys. All right, so I started it up and closed the door so that you can see it. All right, if you see that big white door, the filter's inside it. Okay, that means that the recirculating door is closed. So like I said, you gotta turn on the key. I ran it so you don't hear the key buzzer. I'm gonna push this button in here. Okay, it's gonna light up. You're gonna see the door open up. Cool, right? Once it open up, then all you gotta do is just shut the key off. You don't need it running no more. Take it out of the way. All right. And when you reach in here, there's a little tab. Lift that little tab. The door's gonna open. Okay. Lift this little tab here. Oh, not left-handed. But yeah, lift this little tab here. I'm gonna get the other one off. Hang on. Let me do it with my other hand. All right. So once you get the little tab up and out of the way, like I said, it's not going to lift too far. Okay, it's going to come up just a little bit. Take it hitting the speaker door. But you can reach in there, grab that little filter, and drag it out. Okay, it's a little tray that it sits in. There you go. That's what it looks like. Look at that mess in there. See it? Yeah, yeah. What could be there? Little critters. All right, want to get you a new one and show you where that goes. All right, so this is the STP brand sold from AutoZone. Comes in two pieces, you see, so it'll be easier instead of squeezing out of that little hole there. We're going to take one in, slide it into the tray, and slide it over to the side. All right. Pay attention to your airflow. The airflow on this particular model points down. Okay? You can tell by the old one over here. This one says down. You see the arrow, and you see all the dust on top. That means air is flowing this way. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take the first one with the airflow going down. I'm going to lift it up, stick it in here, and they're going to sit in that little tiny tray that's back there. Okay? Once you got it clicked into the tray, just slide it over. Okay. Slide it over. That's good. Take the next one. Same thing. Sorry for my hand being in the way. Same way. Slide it. It's actually a little tray in there. So make sure that it actually sits in the tray. Once it sits in the tray, then you're good to go. Okay, there's a little tray and there's like a little track off to the sides, right? That just slides in. There you go. See where's my flashlight? There it is. All right. You see up close there, there's a little tiny tab back there. Okay, right there, the little black tab. See it? All right, it's gonna go under there. It's both sides. We're good to go. Clip on your little tabs. 1, 2. Perfect. All right. Now you just got to put your door back on, and then you're good to go. All right. Yeah. Let's see. Put the door back on probably with just one hand. Let's see what I show you guys. There you go. Dun, dun, dun. Nope. You need 2 hands. All right. No, that was it. It was on. Okay? Good as new. There you go. Chuck your old crap in the garbage. Happens to be garbage day on this 32 degrees. Look at that. Looks like the bird seeds and stuff. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Ciao.